Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Figma to design a website. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for the Figma. Click on the official Figma website and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, sign up for free. Once you're on the Figma dashboard, you'll see the prompt box at the top. This is where you can describe your idea and even attach a reference design to guide the result. And to design a website, start by describing the website idea that you want. For example, you can type something like this idea. And after done typing or entering your idea, the Figma will generate a starting design based on your description. You can then edit the layout, you can adjust the color, change the fonts, and move elements for free. Next, use the frames to set your website size, such as a desktop frame. You can add sections like headers, hero sections, buttons, text, images using the tools on the left panel. You can also drag and drop the images, add icons, or use plugins to improve your design. And once your website design is finished, click Share to send it to others or export assets for development. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.